Hey everybody, Kevin here from Podium Body Works. We're going to talk a little bit more about insurance. We've had some comments and some feedback on some of the other videos that we've done, kind of focusing more on the complicated side of insurance policies and getting the repairs done properly. I wanted to talk a little bit more on the positive side. We have really good relationships with the field reps, with a lot of our insurance carriers that are local, and that makes a big difference. We've had good and bad experiences with all major carriers, but for the most part, at the end of the day, insurance companies step up and they do what is right. It's hard sometimes, and it takes a lot of work for us to fight the insurance companies to get the proper repair done. But at the end of the day, it's a balanced solution between us, the repair facility, and the insurance companies. It is a negotiation with the insurance company. When it comes to the repair and the rates, we definitely like to get a balanced solution so that the repair gets done properly and it's within the reasonable rates that the insurance companies are willing to cover. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, please reach out to us. We're here to help. We'll leave our phone number and our email address in the description below. Reach out to us with any questions regarding insurance, the good, bad, the ugly. I mean, it's a business, and it is a give and take. At the end of the day, the car's not going to leave unless it's properly repaired, and at the end of the day, the insurance companies typically step up and pay. So please like, subscribe, feel free, like I said, reach out, ask us any questions. If you're local here in Austin, come by the shop, and we'll show you around. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please leave comments on what you'd like to see on content. We're always looking for ideas. What do you want to see? Do you want to see more paint shop? Do you want to see more on the technical side? Do you want to talk more about insurance? I'm starting to get tired about talking insurance, so we're going to move on from there. We're going to show you the new building that we're going to be putting up here shortly. So please reach out, tell us what you want to see, come out to the shop. We're going to do another segment that's going to be fun. We're going to start interviewing some of our clients and doing a look at what they do for a living. Hey, you drive this kind of car? What do you do for a living? You know, why did you choose this car? And we're going to talk about stereotypes, which there's certain types of drivers that own certain types of cars that are kind of interesting stereotype-wise. We're going to touch on that. It's kind of that saying where people say, oh, that dog kind of looks like the owner. Like there's that correlation of, we see a car pull up, we almost kind of know what kind of dude or gal is going to step out of that car. We're going to have some fun with that in the future. So like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.